So, what exactly is in a vaccine and are they safe?
So, in a vaccine, you'll find things such as antigens, preservatives, and stabilizers, adjuvants, and small amounts of leftover substances that might be in the vaccine. So, antigens are small, weakened, or inactive parts of the virus or bacteria that's going to help the immune system learn to recognize and fight the disease without causing the illness. And these are totally safe to have in the vaccine. Things such as preservatives and stabilizers. This can be like salt, sugar, gelatin. Again, they're non-harmful that help keep the vaccine stable and free from contamination. Adjuvants are things such as aluminum or salt that helps boost the immune response with developing better protection. And yeah, so these vaccines are always tested for safety during every stage, and they're always approved before given out.
Okay, so do vaccines give you autism?
So, no, this is actually a myth. Vaccines do not cause autism. This was a myth or an idea that came about in the late 1990s with the MMR vaccine, and it was led to believe that the MMR vaccine was giving kids autism, but a study was was found to be flawed and it was not true at all. There's been a bunch of research on it, and there was no correlation or link between vaccines and kids getting autism. So again, the vaccines are safe and it's protecting your children from disease.
Okay, and I heard that the COVID-19 vaccine can make you infertile. Is this true?
So there's no scientific evidence that shows the COVID-19 can make you infertile. They are completely safe for fertility and have no impact on any of the reproductive system. In fact, by getting vaccinated, it can protect you against different diseases and illness that's important to have during your pregnancy. So it's usually advised to get vaccinated while you're pregnant.
Okay. And I'm just a little confused. Doesn't getting a vaccine give you the sickness and make you sicker?
So getting a vaccine does not make you sicker or it doesn't give you the actual pathogen to make you sick with a disease. It's more to the whole point of the vaccine is to prevent the disease. So, some of the vaccines can use a small, very small part of the virus or bacteria, and it's usually deactivated and harmless. That does not cause a disease, but it helps the immune system recognize and fight the pathogen if you do encounter it later. You can see some side effects with getting a vaccine, such as you're tired or a slight fever or sore. This is just your immune system responding to this vaccine. And usually the symptoms are mild and they'll go away quickly and does not actually cause you to get the disease.
Okay, thank you for clearing that up. And I just have one more question. I know this sounds a little silly, but I heard that the COVID-19 vaccine might have a microchip in it. Is this true?
So, no, this was a kind of a popular myth that went around with the COVID-19 vaccine. It does not contain microchips, and this is a silly myth that started from misinformation online. Again, you can publicly see vaccine ingredients that are in every vaccine, and no microchip is listed in any of them. Um, and also just logically, a microchip would not be able to fit through a needle because it would be too big.
Okay, thank you for clearing all that up. I feel a lot better about vaccines now.